Hi, Jennifer. This is Vinny Wells of Tameron Hyundai. I have a beautiful Sonata that you inquired about. This is the beautiful Lakeside Blue. It comes with a chrome accented front grille, wraparound headlights with fog lights, 16-inch alloy wheels, blind spot detection system. On the inside, we see the beautiful premium cloth seats, 7-inch audio display with Google Android and Apple CarPlay. This vehicle comes with a 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which here at Tameron Hyundai we double to a 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty. Vinny Wells, call me at 334-313-7131. Come down to see us at Tameron Hyundai, where you're going to love the way you're treated.